Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a first impressions and swatch video on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Nude Bundle Volume 1. So this is one of a few different mini Velour Liquid Lipstick bundles that Jeffree Star Cosmetics has on his website. And like I said, this is the Nude Bundle, the Volume 1. He also does have a Volume 2. But yeah, all of his mini bundles come with 8 different mini velour liquid lipsticks, and here are the 8 different velour liquid lipsticks that come in this particular bundle. Of course, further into this video we are going to be going over each shade, doing swatches not only on my arm but on my lips, and just giving my first impression thoughts on each of these liquids and this bundle as a whole. So with all that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So if you would like to see my swatches and first impressions on this mini velour liquid lipstick nude bundle volume 1, then just keep on watching. So here's just the outer packaging, or the box that these lipsticks come in. It does have a magnet closure, as you can see from where it says open here for nudes, which I think is so cute. And then also when you turn it over, it just lists the different names or shades that come in this mini bundle, including ingredients, Jeffree Star's social media accounts, and other things like that. So when you go ahead and open this bundle collection, you can see the 8 different shades right here. And yeah, I feel like the packaging is pretty self-explanatory. I absolutely love the box that it comes in. I feel like the liquid lipsticks are in there pretty nicely. I feel like it's good quality. So for me personally, I decided to keep the packaging or the box that these liquid lipsticks came in. But of course, you can take them out and store them or display them on however you would like. But yeah, I definitely love the box that this collection comes in. So now let's go ahead and dive into each of the shades that come in this mini nudes bundle collection. So the first color that comes in this collection is in the name Skin Tight, and this is the lightest color that comes in this particular collection. As you can see, it's a very nude color. I feel like it does have a slight pink undertone to it, but as you can see on the lips, it is a very nude color. The next shade in this collection is in the name Mannequin, and this is the next lightest color in this collection. But I wouldn't necessarily say it's a lot darker than Skin Tight. I just feel like it has a different undertone to it, but on the lips it definitely is a very nude color. For me personally, I feel like Mannequin is slightly more flattering on me, on my skin tone compared to Skin Tight, but it's definitely still a very nude color. The next color that comes in this collection is in the name Celebrity Skin. This is one of my favorite colors from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and it's just a perfect nude color. The next color that comes in this collection is in the name Posh Spice, and this is probably my favorite nude that Jeffree Star Cosmetics has ever came out with. I just absolutely love this color. Again, it's a perfect nude color, but to compare it to Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice is definitely on a more cooler side, while Celebrity Skin is more warmer. But yeah, I just definitely love this color. It is definitely my go-to nude. The next color that comes in this collection is in the name Rose Madder, and this is just a pretty basic pink color. I definitely wouldn't consider this a neutral or nude color, but I do like that this color is in this collection, not only because it's a beautiful color, but because it just adds a little bit more variety to this collection. So yeah, I definitely love this color. The next shade that comes in this collection is in the name Gemini, and this is more of a burnt orange neutral color, I would say. I feel like this is the perfect color if you want something a little bit more on the neutral side, but also something that has a little bit of color into it. So yeah, I definitely love this color. I feel like it is more unique and overall just a really pretty color. The next shade in this collection is in the name Leo, and this is another darker neutral color, more of like a burnt orangey color. I feel like in a way it's similar to Gemini, but the only difference in it is it's obviously darker, more of like a burnt brown color, while Gemini kind of has a more like pinky undertones to it. But yeah, same with Gemini. I love the color Leo. I feel like it is definitely more of a unique color. Like, it's a neutral color, but it does add some more warmth, and it's definitely different than just your everyday nude color. The next and last liquid lipstick shade that comes in this collection is in the name Androgyny, and this is another one of my all-time favorite liquid lipsticks from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is definitely more of a darker pinky purpley color. This is another color that I wouldn't necessarily consider a nude or neutral color, similar to Rose Madder, but I love that it's in this collection. It definitely adds more variety to this collection, just like Rose Madder, so you're not getting a collection that's just all nudes or all neutral colors. And yeah, I just absolutely love this color. And here are all of the swatches of the 8 liquid lipsticks that come in this Nude Bundle Volume 1 collection. Now let's go ahead and get into my first impressions and final thoughts for this video. I just absolutely love this Volume 1 collection. I have been wanting it for such a long time, so I'm so happy I finally own it for myself. And honestly, I really have nothing negative to say about any of these colors. Like, just Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks are just the best. They're definitely my favorite liquid lipsticks out of any other brand that I've ever tried. Like, they're just gorgeous, they're pigmented, they don't really dry my lips out as much as other brands of liquid lipsticks that I've tried in the past. The only color that I probably won't use that often is the color Skin Tight, which is the lightest shade in this collection. And that's only because wearing this color on its own, at least for me, is just not as flattering. But I feel like I could still get a lot of uses out of it, whether it's mixing it with other liquid lipsticks or lipsticks in general, or just adding it to the middle of my lips just as like a highlight. So yeah, overall, I love this collection. The packaging is perfect. It's great for just keeping the liquid lipsticks in the packaging for storage. And yeah, overall, I just love the colors that come in this collection, and I can't wait to get other collections that he has available on his website, including the Volume 2 Nudes Bundle. So yeah, overall, I definitely recommend this Volume 1 collection to you guys. Alright everybody, and that is it for this first impressions and swatches of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Liquid Lipstick Nude Bundle Volume 1. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you have not seen my most recent first impressions and swatches video of other Jeffree Star Cosmetics products, I will link those down in the description box, so please make sure to go ahead and check those out, along with all of my social media. That is all down in the description box. So yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.